Tamil Nadu Governor C. Vidyasagar Rao asks DGP to file an affidavit on the AIADMK MLAs lodged at a resort allegedly by Sasikala amid suspense over chief ministership of the state. In Uttar Pradesh, first phase polling will take place tomorrow in 73 assembly constituencies of 15 districts with a total of 840 candidates in the fray. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while addressing an election rally in Bijnor in Uttar Pradesh, slammed the Congress-SP alliance forged for the assembly elections in the state. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav lashes out at BSP for not doing any developmental work in the state. He was addressing an election rally in Pilibhit. Senior BJP leader Rajnath Singh in a press conference in Lucknow said Prime Minister did not insult Dr. Manmohan Singh. PM Modi just said in spite of so many scams, Dr. Singh emerged clean. In the Aircel Maxis case, Supreme Court asks Subramanian Swamy to furnish documents of limits of Foreign Investment Promotion Board and whether former FM knew the limit was 600 crores. Delhi High Court agreed to give an urgent hearing on a habeas corpus plea filed by the wife of a BSF Jawan who had posted video on social media alleging that poor quality food was being served to soldiers. Today is the birth anniversary of Guru Ravidas, the famous saint of the Bhakti movement. President Pranab Mukherjee and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have greeted the people on the occasion. Sales of passenger vehicles grew the fastest in 4 months in January, with consumers appearing to have shrugged off the impact of demonetization. Urban Development and Housing Minister Venkaiah Naidu said government is taking steps to empower women, like more than 14,35,000 new houses sanctioned for women, who will have the first right to ownership for these homes. He was speaking at the National Women's Parliament in Amravati today. General John W. Nicholson, Commander US Forces in Afghanistan, has said US primary mission remains to protect the homeland by preventing Afghanistan from being used as a safe haven for terrorists to attack the United States. US Federal Court declines to reinstate Donald Trump's travel ban. Permits previously barred refugees and citizens from 7 Muslim-majority countries to continue entering the United States. US President Donald Trump has agreed to honor the decades-old Old China policy during his first telephonic conversation with his Chinese counterpart. A series of landslides brought by overnight torrential rains killed at least 12 people, including a 1-year-old child in the Indonesian resort island of Bali. In Brazil, more than 100 people reported killed during a 6-day strike by police in the southeastern state of Espírito Santo. India extends dominance on day 2 of one-off test match against Bangladesh in Hyderabad. Skipper Virat Kohli completes 4th double hundred of his career, breaks Virender Sehwag's record for most runs in a home season. The organizers of the 2017 FIFA Under-17 World Cup in India unveiled Kelio, the tiger, as the tournament's mascot.